Hello, this is David from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Today we're going to be covering terms and conditions, policies, and agreements that your distributors will have to agree to in order to complete their registration. On the bottom of the registration page, you have the ability to either turn on or turn off any of the policies, conditions, consents that we have in our system. Each one of these will have to be agreed to in order to complete your enrollment into the system. Anytime that you click on one, it will actually open it so that your distributors can view what it actually says. Now, if you don't need all of these, we can simply turn it off, and I'm going to show you how. Under your company button, registration settings, distributor registration settings, you have the ability to select any one of these tabs. These tabs correspond to each one of those agreements that you saw in the previous Each one of these tabs corresponds to the agreement that must be selected during the enrollment process or the checkout process. So right now we're looking at the terms and conditions, and as you can see, we have an editor very similar to the editors found throughout the website. If at any point you need to change any of the wording as far as deleting, adding, it's simple. Just click into the agreement. You can add spaces, delete spaces, remove a word, add a word to meet your company's needs. Now, anywhere that you see something that looks like this, it's actually a mail merge variable, which is used to pull in things from somewhere else in your site. More than likely, it's company information, time, state, email addresses. Things like this can be added to any one of these documents in any position that you'd like. And every time this is regenerated, when somebody clicks on it, it will actually pull that information and display it on your screen. Now, if I want this to show at the registration or during enrollment, I'm going to select Show During Enrollment. If I want it to show during checkout, I would put the checkbox in here and it will show at checkout. The registration with email confirmation means that an email will be generated, if configured properly, to send out to the distributor that they will then select a button and send back. Okay, so within here we have policies and procedure, electronic consent. All of these work the same way, and all of them look very similar once you open them up. Some of these only have show during enrollment. Most of them have both. It's your choice whether you want to show it at enrollment or checkout. Best practice would be to select one or the other and not both. Once you're done with all of your changes to each one of these policies, it is definitely recommended that you select the Save button before going on to anything else so that your changes are saved in the system and not lost. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators, support team, in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule a one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak to a Multisoft account executive, please call us at area code 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.